Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Harris 250 Cruiser. Beautiful boat here, 25 foot in length. This boat is a tri-tune. We've got the beautiful sterling gray exterior with the silver railing right here. Stainless steel components on this boat with the flip up cleats, and then also the docking lights right here. Nice big bimini top. That also matches the railing on the outside as well. And then this also has the fender clip system here. You can easily put a fender in and clip it right out. This boat does have the extended swim platform here and the safety railing, and we'll go into more detail once we hop on board. Got a nice ski tow bar here. This does have the 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. And then a great entryway into the boat. We have the 4-step stainless steel telescoping ladder. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside this Harris 250 Cruiser. We're gonna start up here in the bow. As you can see here, we have plenty of seating on either side. This boat is rated for 14 passengers. Plenty of storage underneath these seats, which do come up on hinges, which is nice so that your seats aren't flying all over the place when you're underway. We have the nice pillow top beach tan upholstery here. It's really soft, which really complements the desert beige seagrass on the flooring. Stainless steel cup holders all around, and then tons of spots to charge in your phones as well. Making our way to the helm. Nice helm seat here that does swivel and adjust. We've got the upgraded sound on here with JL audio. It's beautiful sound quality on these boats. Tilt steering wheel here, and then this does have the SIMRAD display screen for all your engine diagnostics, chart plotting, navigation. It's very accessible on this boat. We also have RGB lighting that does go underneath the seat bases. Again, this does have the 200 Mercury outboard, so you have the digital throttle and shift right here. And then making our way towards the stern, we do have the L-shaped seating here. Again, tons of storage underneath all these compartments. Right now you've got your fenders down there and your table, which you can mount wherever you want on the boat as well. We'll do that right here in Rogers. This does have this SL single lounger layout. So it has a couple of different positions here. You either have a backrest here and watch what's going on behind the boat, or this does turn into a full sun pad. We did option this boat with the safety railing, which makes it legal for passengers to sit back here and ride underway. You can see here it's clipped into place. And on either side, you do have a spot to put your fenders. More storage underneath these compartments here. And then one of the best features on these boats is the built-in cooler right over here. This boat is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.